pork belly. First to brown it. Add chicken soup base. Whole black peppers. Cover with water. Splash of vinegar. Bring it to a boil. Cover that shit up. Put it on medium low. We're just softening the pork. We haven't even started adobo yet. Simmer on low for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. Make sure it doesn't run out of water. Remove the lid for the last 30 minutes. Put it on medium. Let that water reduce till there's about a half or a quarter inch left at the bottom. Add potatoes. Whole black peppers. Add garlic. Add bay leaf. 1 tablespoon sugar. Add garlic. More vinegar. Add garlic. Soy sauce for color. Add garlic. Simmer uncovered 20 minutes. Let that sauce thicken up. Add garlic. Once the potatoes are brown and soft, that's done. Serve with white rice. Be sure to sauce that rice up. That pork belly is so soft you could eat it with a straw.